Hello all, Namaskar, welcome back. I'm Dr. Anamika, I'm a pain specialist, but today we'll be discussing about a very important topic and it's about doubling the mask. बहुत beneficial role है अगर आप डबल मास्क पहनते हो, especially during this time, क्योंकि इस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा कोविड इन्फेक्शन फैला हुआ है. तो बेस्ट मेथड actually what I told you कि ये सर्जिकल मास्क है in my last video that it is a very effective mask and it is budget friendly also. So if you are wearing this mask, always when you're buying it, always make sure that it has a metal rim ताकि आप उसको जब फेस पे लगाएं और या व्हेन यू पिंच और दिस मेटल रिम अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नोज ये आपको अच्छा फिट दे. बट अभी भी आप देखेंगे देयर आर गैप्स हियर एंड दिस माइट लीड टू droplets and aerosols growing from here and then you might get infected. So there is a concept of double masking. So this is the cotton mask that people use. तो इसी के ऊपर अगर आप कॉटन मास्क ऐसे पहन लें तो it presses the surgical mask against your face and this gives a very good seal and this really gives a very very effective and it's more than 95% effective. So if you are going outside in crowded places like going for vaccination and try to double up your mask, that will really help. And this above mask you can remove and then you can wash it because this is reusable, but this is mostly not reusable, single use. If you are going to crowded places, come back home and throw it away in the dustbin in a proper place. And if you are going just nearby, कोई ज़्यादा लोगों से contact में नहीं है, then you can keep it at a place away from your children and your family members and use hand hygiene when you are reusing it, right? See, if you're using N95, nothing like it, it is the best mask that you can use, but always make sure it is properly fit on your face. Your nose and your mouth should be covered properly. And when using this surgical mask alone, then you should make sure that you can make these ear loops by tying you're tying a knot here and tying a knot here, and this gives a proper and better seal on your face when you put it. So always make sure the gaps are not here when you're putting it. Okay, and this is what gives the advantage of doubling up your mask. So normally I work in I work in a hospital and I get contact with so many positive patients. We intubate also and all COVID positive patients, and we come in contact with so many. We go give anesthesia to them. We are very close to their faces. What I normally do is I wear N95 mask and then I put a surgical mask like this. Although CDC has not given any advantage of this kind of association because N95 anyways is very effective, but I use this so that I can, when I'm I was in contact with a positive patient which was proven positive, then I usually throw this above mask in the dustbin and reuse it, and this gives me, I don't know, a sense of a good feel that I'm just protected. But N95 is really effective if you're reusing it in a day and you have been coming in contact with many positive patients. You need to maintain hand hygiene and not keep touching your face mask with your hands and then eating something or doing some work because it spreads the infection. So always make sure, and this is very important, if you're doubling up the mask, then it really gives you a very good protection against COVID. And when you're going for vaccination, make sure you're doubling up. Okay, so again I'm repeating, surgical mask, and above that you have to wear cotton mask and not cotton mask and above that surgical mask, right? So thank you for listening and I hope these videos help you. And if you want some topics, important topics to be discussed, you can just message me on the comment box. And please stay home, please stay safe inside. If there is really a chaos out there in the hospitals, there are no beds, no oxygen available, so the best way to protect yourself from oxygen mask is to just stay home and stay safe. All the best.